act like he was drinking yesterday when my stomach is the one that's queasy. What's up, guys? I am Jazzy Denise. This is Jazzy Denise TV. Welcome back to the channel today. I don't know if this will be a full vlog or a continuation of the last vlog, but my stomach hurt. Bubba's stomach hurt too, apparently, because he just threw up on me. I don't know why he threw up, but he did. Bubby, you okay back there? You good? I don't know why he just threw up. Like, he just literally threw up half his food on our stairs, like in front of our house. And he don't really know he going to the doctor, right? Bubby, you going to the doctor? Do you know that? Is that why you threw up, because you nervous about going to the doctor? He is 1 year old now, so he needs his 1 year checkup. So that is what we're doing. I'm taking him to the doctor. I'm gonna stop at McDonald's when I drop him, after I drop him off, because I need greasy breakfast food. Sorry you guys if I'm looking a little ratchet this morning, but when am I not, right? So I am about to go to McDonald's. I've dropped Bubba off. He was a little nervous. He just was a little, you know, just all over the place. He didn't want to, he did everything. It's not that he didn't want to do anything. He just was like, why are we here? And whenever he sees this building, he's like, y'all trying to play me for a sucker. But we... What's up, guys? I'm back. I know I look different. I probably look way better in this scene than I did in the last scene, simply because it is the next day. I'm just going to continue on with what I was recording, and we are just going to make a vlog out of it, okay? I don't know what it's going to be, but we're just going to get our lives together. But anywho, yesterday, y'all, I wanted to record, I wanted to vlog, but one, my stomach was not my friend yesterday. I feel like an old lady, y'all. Like, I cannot drink like that no more. I barely had a lot to drink. Like, and we were drinking dark at that, and dark usually don't mess me up like that. Like, the lighter mess me up, but the dark usually don't mess me up like that. Like, I'm disappointed in myself. I needed a whole day to recover from this weekend, y'all, and we ain't even do that much. I needed a whole day to recover, but I'm good now. I'm better. And I know I got this like fancy little number on right here. I got this from Boohoo. I'm kind of thinking that I like this little piece. I like this little number, and I want to take some birthday pictures. I'm thinking about setting up my backdrop and with the white and taking some birthday pictures. What do you guys think? I think this dress would be really cute with this hair, cute little makeup look. And my backdrop is already downstairs. I could just take the white roll and... yeah, I think I'm going to do a birthday photo shoot. I'm just going to get my life. And I'll be back in a little bit. And hopefully I'll do this photo shoot. We'll vlog a little bit of it, because I realize I like taking my pictures on phones, on iPhones. And since I'm going to take the pictures on my iPhone, and because I have a clicker that I can use for my iPhone, my camera is not compatible with. So hopefully we will be upgrading this little baby soon, and we can get one that is compatible with a clicker. But that's fine. All in all, I'm just going to use my phone, and I can do a little BTS vlogging for you guys. So we'll do that in a little bit. What's up, guys? Today is the day. I'm going to take some pictures, because I want to get them out and loaded, out and posted today before my birthday actually ends. But with all that being said, I popped on camera because it's my birthday today. I am officially 25 years old, and I forgot I had a whole bottle of champagne in my refrigerator from my birthday weekend when my friends just came down here. So I'm gonna make me a couple of mimosas and chill out, do some work. I've been answering birthday calls all day. Thank you to everybody that sent me birthday wishes on Facebook, Instagram. My parents, thank y'all for birthing me. Like, thank everybody. It's just been a great year. 24 was a great year to get into 25, and I'm so excited to see what 25 has to bring for me. I don't know what to expect, but I got some plans, so it's gonna be fun. But I'm just about to pop these mimosas right quick, and I want y'all to see. So this way we can celebrate. We can celebrate my birthday together. Y'all go get y'all mimosas or y'all wine right quick so we can pop these bottles together right quick. And this ain't nothing expensive. This is just some cheap Andre that I had in my refrigerator from the weekend. And I'm using pineapple orange juice. Y'all, so this is the proper way to open a champagne bottle. Just so y'all know, hold the entire cap. Grip the whole cap. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. If you want it to like fly up, yeah, do it like this. But if you're trying to just open it without it going crazy, grip the entire cap and twist. Voila. No flyage. No flyage. That's what you want to do. Cheers. Hi guys. Okay, so I know we're cutie now. So I am officially about to take my pictures. I'm about to put my cute little dress on. Makeup is already done. Hair is done. Baby hairs are reslayed, and we about to do it. Bubby, y'all see Bubby? He probably like, mommy, why are you coming up here doing all of this loud talking? This is not the time. This is not the time. So I'm putting on the dress that I showed you guys yesterday. Boom, pow. Yes, she's a cutie as well. Did you guys know that Salt and Pepper did a collab with Milani Cosmetics? I got one of their eyeshadow palettes and one of their lip kits, and this is just too cute. This color is so cute. I'm gonna put it on to take my pictures with, so let's do that. Where's my phone? It's over there. Okay, I'm waiting on my dad to call me back. So it comes with, the lip kit comes with a pencil and the lipstick, and the pencil is kind of brown, the lipstick is a little purple. It's kind of like a nudie purple, a nudie mauve. Let's go with mauve. It's called Shoop. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, my camera from there.
This all I got.
From him today. You want to say hello to my vlog? I'm recording.
Hey. Yeah, what's up, vlog? Hey, that's the vlog right there?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, vlog? This your boy JX. I mean, you know what I'm saying? They call me Chef J. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all look for my stuff, because I'm be doing something real soon for y'all. Something special, too. So, happy birthday to my daughter, Jay. Y'all, hey, stay tuned for some good stuff from both of us. Okay? Some good stuff from both of us, all right? Peace out.
Show you guys my setup right quick. So remember last time I showed you I did my backdrop, I turned it around this time, so instead of it facing the window, it's facing the open room. I just did it that way because I feel like I get more space to set up my lights since I now have 2 more lights. So I got my 2 softbox lights and my ring light in the middle. I'm actually gonna be taking the pictures on my phone. So I'm gonna just set my camera off to the side on the table over there so you guys can get some behind the scenes footage. As you can see, it's a lot of back and forth. It's a lot of movement. It's a lot of trial and error. So I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling so you guys can see what I'm going through. Y'all, so I'm just gonna finish taking these pictures and I'll be back when babe gets home because we're gonna actually go out to eat today and have a few drinks out for my birthday. So happy birthday to me. I hope you guys have been enjoying my vlogs so far, my videos, period. It's just crazy. It's almost kind of like the more the day goes by, the more it's sinking in that today's my birthday and I'm 25 years old. What's up, guys? I don't know how loud it is, the background noise, but babe has found me. He got off work, so we came out to the social bar and grill. We're just gonna have a nice meal and have some drinks, and then we're gonna go home. I'm actually vlogging on my phone for the first time, so if you guys like this camera quality, let me know. It's actually really not bad. It's really not bad. This actually looked really good though. I don't know why I've never thought to vlog on my phone before. What you say? Right? I'm sure, like, okay, I ain't even got no straw. Corona outside. We need straw. My photo shoot came out so good, y'all. Like, it was so cute. You want to see my pictures? Okay, I'll be back, y'all. I gotta show babe my pictures. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is officially Thursday, the day after my birthday. Yeah, this is just gonna be one screwed up, jump it up mess of a weekly vlog. It's actually gonna probably end on today because I did not tell you guys that I am going to Lake of the Ozarks again. Me and Aunt are going to Lake of the Ozarks for our birthday weekend. So my birthday was yesterday, his birthday is Monday. We gonna parlay from today until Sunday, and that's gonna be that. So yeah, I'm just kind of cleaning up. I'm putting up my backdrop and my lights and stuff. I'm gonna take them upstairs and get those out of the way and just kind of, you know, prep the house because I'm sure y'all understand you like for your house to be clean when you get back off of a little vacay or something. So we're just gonna clean up now so we won't have to do it later. But anyway, I'm not doing too much right now. I'm just gonna take everything upstairs and, like I said, put it back in my studio room. And I'm just gonna try to vlog a little bit of the packing process and things like that. We are probably going to be leaving out in a few hours. So Esco is coming with us. I didn't tell you guys that, but yes, Bubba is coming with us. We're gonna try to do some little doggy fun things with him, and we're gonna board him one of the nights while we're there so we can go out to eat and just enjoy ourselves as well. But he's gonna be with us most of the time, so it's gonna be fun. Whew. Okay, my bad, guys. Whew. I had to go get a bag because I'm about to make Bubba's food. I'm making his food for the trip. So we feed Esco twice a day. In the morning and at night, 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. It's just easier for us that way because we are regular working people. We work regular 9 to 5 jobs. So we have to be up early and he needs to be eating before it's time for us to get out and go, so everything can digest. He can go to the bathroom, all that good stuff. He eats, this is a half a cup serving, so he eats about 3/4 of a cup of food in each serving. So for breakfast, 3/4 of a cup. For dinner, 3/4 of a cup. That may not sound like a lot, but that's actually like the amount that he's supposed to get. So he eats what he's supposed to eat for the size and type of dog he is. So I do like a full cup, a full half cup, and then maybe like that much. Like in the second cup, a little bit under half of a half. So he gets that much in one serving. And when we mix it up, we basically just add a little bit of hot water in the bowl to kind of make a gravy, like a very loose gravy with the pebbles, and soften the pebbles a bit. He loves it. When he was a real little puppy, he actually stopped eating his food dry. Like, he just did not like it. And it wasn't like we was giving him like a lot of table food at the time for him to think like, oh, I don't want that, I want table food. He literally just didn't want dry food anymore. So I was asking around, like, should we change the brand? What should we do? Should I give him wet food? Because he's always been on dry food. Even when we got him from his previous owners, he was on dry adult food, and we changed it to dry puppy food. So we're like, what should we do? And my coworker actually told me to mix a little bit of water in his bowl and see if he'll eat that first before changing brands or trying something different. And I did it, and ever since then he loved it. So that's literally all we do. All right, so six, I have all of his food ready to go. I will put this in his bag and continue packing. All right, y'all, hair still looking a mess, but your girl finally has some clothes on. Where is the remote so I can cut the TV on mute? All right, no copyright over here. Bubby, you sleepy? You sleepy, Bubba? You can sleep in the car, Bubba. We finna take a little ride to Ozarks. Are you excited? Hey, baby. Hey, Pa. Oh, good boy. You such a good boy. He is such a good boy, y'all. You want to say hi to the peeps? Want to say hello? Hi, peoples. Hi, peoples. I'm Esco and I'm sleepy. And Mommy won't stop talking to me. We just chilling waiting on Mandot to get back at this point. Oh, you up? You see yourself? That's you. Yeah, that's you, Bubba. You see yourself? We just waiting on Mandot to get back. I got some stuff put up and packed away. What's up, guys? So, all right, so I just popped on because I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. We are officially on our way to Lake of the Ozarks, and yeah, this is a wrap, guys. This is a wrap. Bubby, you ready to go on vacay, Bubba? You ready to vacay with Mommy and Daddy? He does not look interested. Anthony has got out the car, and whenever one of us gets out the car, he literally just takes the entire time to look for us. So that's what he's doing. He's looking for Anthony right now because he went and got out the car to run in the store right quick. But I just wanted to pop on and end this vlog, but we're not done. Ozarks is coming up soon, and I plan to vlog all of our doggy fun and all of the fun that we have as well, so you guys can see. So until the next video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Jazzy Denise TV, because we be lit over here on Jazzy Denise TV. Be beautiful. Bye, guys.